Action!
Alright, with us we have Mahavir from Bangalore Toastmasters Club, and in fact right now is the Sergeant at Arms of the club. So Mahavir, tell us something about yourself. How long has it been since you started your Toastmasters club?
Toastmasters, I joined last year, June.
Okay. A pretty new Toastmaster.
Yeah, I'm pretty new Toastmaster. And the next term I became the sergeant at arms.
Oh, that's great. Alright, so tell us what is the one thing that you really admire about your club members, and what's the one thing that you just cannot stand about them?
My club members are very friendly, very kind. Age is just like a number there. And they help you out with everything that you do, including my sergeant at arms role. Many people come and help me out in this. And they are like great speakers, get to learn a lot every day, every time I attend the meeting.
So how old are you?
I'm 18.
18, so still in college. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so is it too hard to balance Toastmasters and your Toastmaster commitments and studies in college and the regular activities that happen in college?
No, not really. Because Toastmasters is helping me in college too. Because I'm doing media studies, so it's helping me to be a better communicator.
Oh, great. So point to be noted, Toastmasters is helping out a lot, and we have a practical example right in front of us. Okay, so what other things can I say?
Louder.
I'm running out of
He's a
questions.
dancer as something.
Okay, you're a dancer. Then has Toastmasters ever helped you when it comes to dancing? In any ways, have they helped you promote that talent in any way?
Yeah. Once when my friend was there doing MC, he just told me to come and teach everyone salsa there. So I went in phase and we had a salsa time before the meeting. That was very nice. Like basics of salsa, I just taught them, and everyone was excited about this new dance form.
Okay, and I remember I was there at the Bangalore Toastmasters Club when they had their club level humorous speech contest, and you were one among the contestants, I remember.
Yeah.
So what was your speech all about that day?
That day my speech is some random journey.
Okay, and you were a brand new Toastmaster back then, and what inspired you to take part in a humorous speech contest? Because humorous speeches are not easy to come up with.
Yeah, just to learn. Learning experience happens when you're on stage. So I thought if I take part in all this, I'll end up learning more and end up learning faster. So I just tried my best. And the speech that I prepared that time was like, I went online and I searched for all humors in all the movies and all, like all the humor punchlines, and I just used in my speech. It didn't turn out to be that humorous, but still it was learning experience.
Okay, alright. So have you been a part of the division or the district conferences?
Yeah. I've been for the Jamboree conference. I made a lot of friends. Jamboree here, everywhere.
So you've been exposed to Toastmasters quite early in your Toastmasters journey. So outside, apart from your club outside, do you think there are prejudices related to your age just because you're 18 years old? Do they look down upon you, or do they expect too much from you, or anything of that sort?
No, not really. Not really. But in fact, it helps me in my school curriculum itself. Like, I ended up winning a lot of extempos and debates and all in my college after joining. And it actually helped me in my college admission too, like getting the prize. So I had Toastmaster, I had written one of the speeches and the first speech, and I just showed it in my interview, and it got me.
So anybody who is aiming to land into a good college in Bangalore City, you know what you're supposed to do next. Join Toastmasters. It was a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you so much.